If you want to grow your business, you need a buying customer. Without customers, your business will not grow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your customers by using Facebook ads. You might have heard that Facebook ads are no longer working like how they used to. I know why some advertisers say that. It is because they ignore the fundamentals of advertising when running Facebook ads. I'm going to show you how to use the 4 fundamentals of advertising and get customers for your business. These 4 fundamentals will lead you very well and show you exactly what you need and how to convert traffic into clients. When running Facebook ads, the things to keep in mind are your offer, Facebook ads, and audience. If you set up this correctly, your campaigns will perform very well. Let's take a look at the 4 fundamentals of advertising. Number 1, the concepts of a marketing funnel and how prospects become customers. These are the steps of moving someone from not knowing about you or your business to becoming your new customer. If you master this fundamental, you're going to drive traffic to your website and convert it into clients. Number 2, the 5 levels of awareness every customer must go through in order to buy. The 3% of your audience are ready to buy at any given time. They know the benefits of your specific product or service. They could have already bought it in the past or heard it from somebody else. Let's say, for example, you are a marriage counselor and you are targeting couples. The couples who will buy after they have seen your ads are the couples who know the benefits of being in therapy. Those who don't buy right away, they will need to go through the 5 levels of awareness before they make a decision. Number 3, the 3 pillars of advertising success that makes up every successful advertising. When you keep the customer's level of awareness in mind, it helps you to understand the 3 pillars of advertising success. Mastering this fundamental will help you to focus on the things that generate results every time you are on Facebook interface looking for clients. Obtaining the signature of the king before the attack. No soldiers go to the war without the signature of the king. If they do, they are more likely to be defeated by their enemies. The king sends some of the soldiers to investigate the enemies. The soldiers will learn about the enemy's strengths and weaknesses before the attack. After the investigation is completed, they will come up with a strategy on how to defeat the enemies. Then the king will approve the plan and send his soldiers to war. The same applies to Facebook ads. If you want to generate results, learn the weaknesses and strengths of your competitors, plan and implement effective strategies that work. If you are interested in a clear direction on how to get customers by using Facebook ads, then my course is perfect for you.